What makes him tick?
Actually, it is hard.
Come on, tell me some more stories.
Don't forget to tune into Space Week, starting Sunday, July 6th at 9 on the Science Channel.
For over 30 years, I've used the Total Gym for one reason. It does work.
It is the most versatile piece of equipment I know of.
What I really love about the Total Gym is its simplicity.
I can get great results in not a lot of time.
A few minutes a day is all you need to get in the best shape of
Tell
your
me
life.
some more. Come on. Start
Smile and
talking.
stuff.
Start talking, mister.
Traps, chest, arms, shoulders,
Thighs,
lats,
hips.
abs.
Oh, it's
Cat got your tongue.
The Total Gym
Yeah,
does it all.
I
Now,
know
for the
it.
first time ever, you can try a Total Gym absolutely risk-free for an entire
Oh,
3
really? Really?
months. Wow. Okay. But believe me, it won't take 2 months. You'll be hooked on it the first time you try it.
To try your Total Gym risk
Come on, Booga.
2 months, call
Tell me some more stories.
1-800-478-0945. That's 1-800-478-0945. Call now.
Oh, I love to hear this